Hey yo, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another Thursday Triple. And in today's Thursday Triple, we're gonna be unboxing this, the DHL Boeing 777F. So this is a model that my brother picked up, my younger brother picked up back in June when we took a visit to the airplane shop. This is a very nice model. As you saw in the last airport update, it was another new airline, new model. But this is another good extension to our fleet. And yeah, let's go over the box now.
Do you want to do it, Mace?
Sure, I'll do it. My little brother's here to help. He's gonna tell me if I'm in frame or not.
Alright, I'll tell you.
Okay, so here is the top of the box. Picked this up for $55.95 right there. And then here's the box. Gemini Jets, made for by collectors. Very nice computer generated image. Your Boeing 777F logo and branding. And then DHL right there. 1/400 scale die-cast model aircraft. There is the beautiful aircraft itself. In the packaging, it's very dusty. I've had it under my bed since we bought it and took it up to where we live and put it in the airport. There it is. There's your flap. Pause if you'd like to read. There's the back of the box. It's real as it gets, all the normal stuff. This is the new style box for Gemini Jets, the new generic box. Even though I don't like Gemini Jets boxes, this new style is a very good refresh, and it looks very nice.
Is that all you have to say, Mason?
And here are the sides. It's your same simple sides with every Gemini Jets box. If you've never seen a Gemini Jets box, this is pretty much what they all look like, unless you call Gemini Jets and they want special branding, then you would get a different box. But there's the box. Logan, if you'd like to unbox it, you can go ahead.
Thank you. And so, here we go. So, this is, there we go, found it. Alright, got it now. Let's put this over to here. Sometimes show my face in these, but not for this one. I'll show it at the end of the video. So let's put all of this over there. And we got the DHL plane out. So yeah, that's the DHL. That is a very good Gemini Jet design. You got the DHL on the fin right here, and then you got DHL next to the wings. And Mason, do you want to do the rest?
Yeah, I'll go ahead and do the rest. This is a very nice looking model. This model is really good. Gemini Jets did a really great job on getting DHL livery spot on. Really like this model. Really looks good. It's gonna be a great one in the airport. But yeah, guys, I think that's gonna do it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoy the new aerial cam thing that I did up there. But yeah, I hope you like this style of unboxing video. If you do, leave a comment down below, and if you don't, then say don't. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any models that you want to see an unboxing on, I'll try and get an unboxing on that one. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.
Audio Jungle.